Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a very interesting topic that's been puzzling many of you in the comments section. Riot API for match ID. Successful request, but no info is retrieved. If you're an avid gamer or developer, you know how crucial it is to fetch accurate data from APIs. But what happens when everything seems to be working fine? Yet you end up with empty hands. That's exactly what we'll be diving into today. As a brief overview, we'll explore the possible reasons behind this issue, and I'll provide you with some insightful explanations and examples to help you grasp the concept better. By the end of this video, you should have a solid understanding of why this is happening and how to troubleshoot it. So, let's get started. So when we make an API request to fetch match data using the Riot API, we expect to receive some information about that specific match ID. However, sometimes we get a successful response from the server, but there's no actual data in the response body. This can be quite frustrating, especially if you're relying on this data for your application or analysis. One of the primary reasons behind this issue is rate limiting. Yes, you heard that right. Rate limiting is a security feature implemented by Riot to prevent abuse and ensure fair usage of their API. If you're making too many requests within a short period, the server might temporarily block your IP address or return empty responses. Think of it like trying to withdraw cash from an ATM machine. If you exceed the daily limit, the machine will simply refuse to dispense any more money. Another possible explanation is that the match data doesn't exist in the first place. This could be due to various reasons, such as the match being deleted, not being recorded properly, or even being a test match. It's essential to validate your match ID before making an API request. Lastly, there might be some issues with your API key or credentials. Ensure that you've correctly set up your API key and are using the correct endpoint for fetching match data. To illustrate this concept better, let me provide you with an analogy. Imagine you're trying to retrieve a book from a library shelf. You search for the book's title, and the librarian successfully finds it on their catalog system. However, when they go to fetch the physical book, it turns out that someone else has already borrowed it, or the book doesn't exist in the first place. To summarize what we've discussed so far, rate limiting can cause successful API requests with no data. Invalid or non-existent match IDs might lead to empty responses. API key and credential issues should not be overlooked. Remember, these are just some of the possible explanations behind this issue. It's crucial to analyze your specific use case and debug accordingly. That's it for today's video. I hope you now have a better understanding of why Riot API requests might return no data despite being successful. If you faced similar issues, please share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences. If this video helped you troubleshoot your issue or simply provided some insightful knowledge, please don't forget to like it and subscribe for more content. Your support means a lot to us. Until next time, happy gaming and coding.